just like you, a parent with big dreams of working from home while spending quality time with my children. If you've never seen me before, my name is Maynard. I'm a father of one daughter. Look, it's not easy. Balancing work and family can be a real challenge, but guess what? I found a solution that has changed my life, and I believe it can change yours too. It's called affiliate marketing. And let me tell you, it's a game changer for busy parents like us. With affiliate marketing, you have the power to work from home on your own terms and still be there for your kids. It's about finding products or services you believe in and sharing them with others. You don't need to create your own products, deal with customer service. You simply promote what you love and earn commissions for every sale through your special link. And the best part, you can start with minimal investment. And as you learn and grow, your income potential is limitless. In fact, affiliate marketing has allowed me to quit my full-time job and make over $100,000 in just 12 months. And I know what you might be thinking. How do I get started? That's where I come in. I've taken a $7 course that offered comprehensive training, resources, and a supportive community of like-minded people just like you and me, just regular people. You're guided every step of the way. You have the potential to create a fulfilling career while being present for your family. Affiliate marketing made it possible for me, and it can make it possible for you too. Are you ready to take that first step? Then follow and comment info to learn more, and let's make your dream become a reality.